Definitely a personal favorite of ours. This beautiful purple-petaled orchid exudes a very sweet, enticing aroma that is aqueous and floral, and is an extremely great addition. Along with these above-scented notes, we have also included these therapeutic orchids that are notable for helping to calm and relax the mind and body. They are highly regarded in Chinese medicine and have played an important role in many traditional medicines. This orchid in particular is also called king medicine and is an important ethno-medicinal plant in Taiwan. The entire plant of this orchid is used in traditional Chinese medicine for various wide uses ranging from pain relieving, treatment or hypertension, fever to snake bites, and so on. Violet leaf and tobacco are two of the ingredients included in Fresh 8 to slightly reduce the orchid's sweet floral scents. Violet leaf is not the traditional sweet violet notes you will be expecting. It releases an aquatic scent with intense green notes. This ingredient enhances the freshness, giving the whole composition an unconventional touch. According to folklore, violet leaf symbolizes fertility and love, and its scent is traditionally used in medicine to relieve headaches and dizzy spells. Tobacco is a tricky component to add due to its potency. As a trace element, it can be almost delicate and can help beautify the entire fragrance composition with its rich, musky, and warm Swedish scent. This is the one for the mischievous, sensual, yet romantic ladies.